body is going to do the 2, while the other one stays in the 4. So this is with you're going to the right, into the side opposite right version, and then, oh goodness, where's the left? I guess, terrible, but you'll remember and do better than me. I hope. Yes. And then the other ones we did were from same direction. So you're chasing the sun, and then you bring the left arm to the back, the right arm to the front, and they both go up. So you're doing a 4v2. And then going the other way, it's the same thing. It's just that the crossing hand is the one that's doing the 4.